Hello! In this short video, I'll tell you about the transformative impact of generative AI in the contact center and how we at Cognigy use large language models to provide outstanding customer experiences on any channel. Let me start with just a bit of context. At Cognigy, we have a very straightforward mission. We enable the creation of customer service that is loved by everyone. And we're doing that with a low-code contact center AI platform called Cognigy.AI that provides a holistic solution to orchestrate voice and chatbots at scale. Our software platform is very well regarded among analysts, it is loved by customers, and it now comes fully integrated with generative AI. We have all heard about the massive impact of GPT-3 and other large language models. ChatGPT has become the benchmark of what is possible with state-of-the-art AI. So why is this such a game changer for bots? Well, that's because its underlying technology, large language models, can bring capabilities into voice and chatbots that were beyond imagination just a short time ago. So first of all, it sits on a foundation of human language and has inbuilt beliefs of the world based on its huge amount of training data. That enables it to interact and respond intelligently without any additional training. It's also capable of some form of reasoning. Even though it is not built to do reasoning, its prediction model can give astonishingly good answers and seemingly draw logical conclusions that go way beyond traditional chatbot understanding. And on top, it can even demonstrate empathy by responding in a personalized, human-like way to any input. But generative AI also comes with certain inherent weaknesses. It's usually not trained for a specific use case or a specific company. Its answers are therefore generic. It can also go off track, and AI hallucination can become a real compliance issue. Also, it doesn't have any integrations and it's not connected to any channel, so it may be able to answer questions, but cannot do anything for customers. Conversational AI, on the other hand, also has deficits. Dialogues sometimes feel rigid, as they are largely predefined and answers need to be pre-written. As a result, creating great bots often requires a lot of effort, and the experience may still be perceived as robotic. But there are also strengths for both technologies. Generative AI is super flexible. It can generate human-like responses on the fly with very low manual effort. And conversational AI provides the toolbox to manage custom use cases, to stay on task, and help customers getting things done on their channel of choice. So what's so transformative about all of this is that the respective strengths on one side cancel out the weaknesses on the other side. So the result is a best of both worlds that completely redefines what customer self-service can feel like. And with that, I want to show you an example that demonstrates how a next-generation phone bot, augmented by generative AI and orchestrated by Cognigy AI, can run a customer service interaction.
Welcome to Cognigy Clinic. How may I help you?
Hey, I'm calling to make an appointment.
Not a problem at all. Are you an existing patient with us?
Sorry, is this the downtown or the Harborside Clinic? I'm not sure I called the right number.
This is the downtown clinic. Are you an existing patient with us?
Hey, are you a real person?
No, I am a voice bot. I am here to help you make an appointment. May I have your first and last name, please?
Okay, if you're a bot, then answer me this. Who is Luke Skywalker's father?
Anakin Skywalker is Luke Skywalker's father. Now, if you could please provide me with your first and last name for the booking.
Okay, my name is Zach Mallory, and Mallory with a double L.
Thank you, Zach. What is your date of birth and mobile number?
Sorry, can we please make sure you got my last name 100% right? It's often spelled incorrectly. Would you mind spelling it for me real quick?
Yes, of course. Your last name is Mallory, spelled Mallory. Can I get your date of birth and mobile number, please? Thank you. What time would you like to come? We're open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on weekdays.
You're not open on the weekend?
No, I'm sorry. We're only open on weekdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. What time would you like to come?
Well, the issue is that I need someone to watch the kids, and that's only possible on the weekends. Can you make an exception for me?
I understand your situation, but I am afraid I can't make an exception. We're open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on weekdays only.
Okay, I'll figure it out then. Maybe next Tuesday around 11:30 a.m.?
Let me quickly check that for you. Just a second, please. Great, confirmed. Your appointment for January 31st, 2023, 11:30 a.m. has been booked. We have sent a confirmation SMS to the mobile number you provided. May I help you with anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you so much.
Okay, if there is one takeaway from this presentation, it's probably this. Generative AI in the contact center will lead to a dramatic improvement of experiences with considerably lower effort. If you want to know more or get in touch with one of our experts, visit Cognigy.com or reach out to us via mail or via LinkedIn. You may also just keep watching to learn more about how all of this works. And here's a look behind the scenes. First of all, let me mention that we embrace a composable architecture approach where our platform lives within an existing ecosystem. Our openness helps our customers preserve investment and mix and match technologies that work best for them. In our demo, the customer called from a phone line connected to the Cognigy.AI platform via one of our 25 pre-integrated channels, as you see here on the left-hand side. The same experience could be provided, for example, on a messaging channel with just a few extra clicks. In order to get something done, the platform also connects against more than 100 backend systems displayed here on the right-hand side. In our example, that was a booking engine, but it could also be a CRM or, for example, a ticketing system. Now, the amazing conversational experience that you heard is based on a native integration with OpenAI's GPT-3 model offered via Microsoft Azure. And GPT-3 brings in the creativity and flexibility of the interaction, while Cognigy keeps the conversation on track and limits AI hallucination through guarding the large language model. And that is the key ingredient to bringing the power of generative AI into the enterprise. And what we've built is not just a point integration. We've looked at the entire chain and embedded LLM technology into all aspects of Contact Center AI. We've seen how generative AI enables better voice and chat experiences for end users. And a similar game changer is also available to live agents. They get suggested replies that perfectly fit the context, and they are relieved from laborious, repetitive tasks through features like auto-summarization. But the magic actually starts with virtual agent creation and training. And this is an area where we added generative AI features all across the platform, making bot building faster and more efficient than ever before. Here's an example of how that looks in practice. So traditionally, virtual agents are built from scratch on an empty canvas. Using generative AI, we enable bot builders to create bots based on verbal descriptions or existing transcripts. Now it takes just one click to create a basic virtual agent from scratch. It comes with an entirely AI-built flow that uses a variety of available flow nodes. And this flow is already fully functional and can be tested with our inbuilt interaction panel to simulate chat or voice experiences. And based on that, a conversation designer can now adapt, expand, and fine-tune the flow as they need and connect it with external APIs. All of these newly added capabilities are available in all Cognigy.AI environments marked as beta features. They are fully operational and, of course, also documented. Additionally, a number of advanced features is under development and will be added to the platform very soon. Among these are AI assistance for flow building as well as LLM-powered bot testing through simulation of end-user inputs. If you'd like to look deeper into our LLM-powered agent assist functions, just reach out and we will provide you with a demo and additional information. So, if you are interested in test driving our platform and the newly added capabilities, simply go to signup.cognigy.ai and register for a free trial. If you'd like to connect to learn more or get a guided tour of our platform, reach out to us on info@cognigy.com. With that, thanks a lot for your attention, and let's stay in touch.